Yeah guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to share your Snaptube to other mobile very easily. The person don't need to download any APK, just share the person very easily. Just open your Snaptube. Once you open your Snaptube, go to your settings. Now you're gonna see share Snaptube. This is it. You can just share it automatically here. You can share the APK, you can share anything you can say. So the thing you can just find anyone you want to share it and you'll be able to share it very easily. Let me show you. Okay, I want to share one of someone on my WhatsApp now. I'll just go here and click on this. As I click on this, click on share. You're going to see it's going to go now, and you can see is the download link, and it's gonna be very easy for that person to be able to download his own Snaptube very easily. So guys, find this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.